High in the Indian Himalayas, a glacial lake shimmers under the vast open sky. This pristine body of water, nestled among towering peaks, is a sight to behold. This is Beas Kund, the source of the Beas River. The river, which flows through the Kulu Valley, is a lifeline for the region, providing water and sustenance to countless communities. The trek to reach Beas Kund is a true Himalayan adventure, perfect for beginners and seasoned trekkers alike. It's a journey that offers a blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The Beas Kund trek takes you through lush forests and alpine meadows where the air is filled with the scent of pine and the songs of birds. As you walk these paths, you'll feel a deep connection with nature. You'll see towering peaks that seem to touch the sky and sparkling streams that flow with crystal clear water. These streams are fed by the melting snow from the glaciers, adding to the pristine beauty of the landscape. This trek is usually completed in 4 days. It's considered moderately challenging, making it accessible to those with a reasonable level of fitness. Each day brings new vistas and experiences, from setting up camp under the stars to sharing stories around a campfire. The best time to go is from May to October, when the weather is most favorable. During these months, the trails are clear and the temperatures are just right for trekking. The Beas Kund trek is a journey into the heart of the mountains. As you ascend, you'll be surrounded by high-altitude landscapes that are both rugged and breathtakingly beautiful. It's a chance to experience the raw beauty of the Himalayas, to stand in awe of nature's grandeur, and to find peace in the solitude of the mountains. This trek is calling. Will you answer? Prepare yourself for an unforgettable adventure, one that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Beas Kund beckons, and the mountains are waiting for you. Your adventure begins in Manali, a bustling town in Himachalpardesh. Nestled in the Beas River valley, Manali is a gateway to the Himalayas, offering a blend of natural beauty and vibrant culture. The town is always buzzing with activity, from local markets to cafes filled with travelers sharing their stories. The backdrop of towering mountains adds to the charm, making it a perfect starting point for your Himalayan adventure. From here, you'll drive to Solang Nala, the starting point of your trek. The drive itself is an experience, winding through scenic mountain roads that offer breathtaking views at every turn. As you ascend, you'll notice the landscape changing, with lush greenery giving way to rugged terrain. Solang Nala is not just a starting point, it's a destination in its own right, known for its adventure sports and stunning vistas. The trail winds through dense forests of deodar and pine. These ancient trees stand tall, their canopies forming a natural roof that filters the sunlight, creating a serene and mystical atmosphere. The forest is alive with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves, making every step a sensory delight. As you walk, you'll feel a deep connection with nature, far removed from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of pine needles. Each breath you take feels rejuvenating, as if the forest itself is breathing life into you. The crisp, clean air is a welcome change, invigorating your senses and energizing your spirit. It's a reminder of the purity and tranquility that nature offers, a stark contrast to the polluted air of urban environments. As you climb, the views become more impressive. The forest gradually opens up to reveal panoramic vistas of the surrounding mountains. Each viewpoint offers a new perspective, with layers of peaks stretching out as far as the eye can see. The higher you go, the more expansive the views, each one more breathtaking than the last. It's a visual feast that keeps you motivated to push forward. You'll see snow-capped peaks in the distance. These majestic mountains, with their pristine white caps, stand as silent sentinels, watching over the landscape. They are a constant reminder of the grandeur and scale of the Himalayas, inspiring awe and reverence. The sight of these peaks is a highlight of the trek, a moment that stays etched in your memory long after the journey is over. After a few hours of trekking, you'll reach your campsite for the night. Nestled in a picturesque location, the campsite offers a perfect blend of adventure and comfort. Setting up camp is a communal activity, with everyone pitching in to create a temporary home in the wilderness. The sense of camaraderie and shared purpose adds to the experience, making it more than just a physical journey. Pitch your tent amidst the beauty of the mountains. The process of setting up your tent is both practical and symbolic, marking your presence in this remote and beautiful landscape. As you secure the tent pegs and unfurl the canvas, you become part of the environment, blending in with the natural surroundings. It's a moment of accomplishment and anticipation as you prepare to spend the night under the stars. As the sun sets, the sky explodes in a riot of colors. The fading light paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The mountains, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, take on a magical quality, their silhouettes standing out against the vibrant sky. It's a perfect end to a day of adventure, a moment of peace and reflection. Enjoy a hearty meal under the stars. Gathered around a campfire, you'll share stories and laughter, creating memories that will last a lifetime. The simple act of eating together in such a stunning setting adds a special flavor to the meal, making it more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of the day's achievements and the beauty of the natural world. This is what it's all about. The sense of accomplishment, the connection with nature, and the shared experiences with fellow trekkers make the journey truly unforgettable. It's a reminder of the simple joys of life, the beauty of the world around us, and the incredible adventures that await when we step out of our comfort zones. Wake to the sound of birdsong. After breakfast, continue your trek through the Solang Valley. The valley is known for its stunning beauty. You'll see meadows carpeted in wildflowers. Glacial streams rush through the valley. Keep an eye out for local wildlife. You might spot a Himalayan tahr or a monal bird. As you trek, you'll gain altitude steadily. The air gets thinner, but the views become even more breathtaking. You'll camp for the night in a high-altitude meadow. The stars seem closer here, twinkling in the clear night sky. Section 4, Day 3, Ascent to Dundee. The day begins with a challenging climb. You'll trek through rocky terrain and cross a few streams. The air is thin, so take your time and acclimatize. The reward for your efforts is worth it. From the top of the ridge, you'll be rewarded with your first glimpse of Beas Kund. Descend from the ridge to Dundee, your campsite for the night. Dundee is a high-altitude meadow. It's surrounded by towering peaks. Spend the afternoon relaxing and soaking in the views. Section 5, Day 4, Triumph at Beas Kund. Today is the day you've been waiting for. The excitement is palpable as you and your fellow trekkers prepare for the final leg of your journey. The air is filled with anticipation and the promise of adventure. You'll trek to Beas Kund, the source of the Beas River. This sacred lake, nestled high in the Himalayas, is not just a destination but a journey through time and nature. The trail is relatively easy, following a gradual incline. As you walk, the landscape unfolds before you, revealing the raw beauty of the mountains. The path is lined with wildflowers, and the sound of distant streams accompanies your steps. As you approach the lake, the anticipation builds. Each step brings you closer to the serene waters of Beas Kund. The air grows cooler and the scent of pine fills your senses. And then there it is. The first glimpse of Beas Kund takes your breath away. The lake with its crystal clear waters is a sight to behold. Beas Kund is a sight to behold. The lake's pristine waters reflect the sky and the surrounding peaks, creating a picture-perfect scene. The turquoise water shimmers in the sunlight. It's a mesmerizing sight, one that makes the entire journey worthwhile. Towering peaks surround the lake, their reflections mirrored in the water. The snow-capped mountains stand tall, guarding this tranquil spot. Spend some time here, soaking in the beauty of this special place. Sit by the water's edge, let the tranquility wash over you, and reflect on the journey that brought you here. After a while, it's time to begin your descent. As you make your way back, take with you the memories of this incredible adventure, the friendships forged, and the sense of accomplishment that comes from reaching Beas Kund. Section 6. Essential tips for your Beas Kund adventure. The Beas Kund trek is an unforgettable experience. Here are a few tips to make your trek safe and enjoyable. Pack for all types of weather. The mountains are unpredictable. Wear sturdy hiking boots. Bring plenty of water and snacks. Be respectful of the environment. Pack out everything you pack in. Listen to your guide and follow their instructions. By following these tips, you can help ensure a safe and memorable trek. Section 7. Conclusion memories etched in mountain peaks. The Beas Kund trek is more than just a hike. It's a journey of self-discovery. It's a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level. The memories you make on this trek will last a lifetime. The breathtaking views, the challenging trails, the camaraderie of fellow trekkers. These are the things that stay with you long after you've returned home. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Beas Kund adventure today. The Himalayas are calling.